love going to Ti every week with my little boy. We've been going since he was about 4 months old, and he'll be 2 in the summer. When we first started going, there was lots of other mums and babies around similar ages, so they've all grown up together and made really close friends. He loves playing with all the toys, doing all the craft activities, and he loves joining in with the actions for all the Welsh songs. I think it's really important for him to be around the Welsh language, but by going to Ti, it's really increased my confidence in using Welsh at home with him, and it's even made me register him for the local Welsh school, which is something I probably wouldn't have considered before if I hadn't been surrounded by the Welsh language every week. He's made friends of a similar age, which will then also all be going on to that school too, so he'll have some familiar faces when he gets there. It's just a really lovely place to be, lovely atmosphere, familiar faces every week, but also some new faces to get to know. It's the highlight of our week.